So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to edit line spacing on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and type in the word line like this, type in line below, the line spacing is pretty normal. It's pretty regular. So if you want to change this, you can highlight the text right here. Go to this top right to where it says line and paragraph spacing. And right now for me, it is defaulted to 1.15. If you can go ahead and press single space if you want. You can press 1.5. You can press double space if you want as well. You can also go ahead and do a custom spacing if you want as well. So if you want this to be like 1.8 spacing right there, go ahead and press apply and it'll justify it accordingly. You can also go to where it says format right here, align and indent. You can go ahead and sort of change line spacing that way. And you can also figure it out this way if you want under line and custom spacing. Go ahead in this way and select what you want. So if you want it to be 1.5, you can go ahead and proceed that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can edit line spacing on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.